First, I would like to respect to the teacher and everyone. My name is Hechan. Today I'm reading about the Cambodian independence. A long time ago, Cambodia was ruled by another country called France. This period is known as the French colonial rule, which lasted for about 90 years. From 1853 to 1953. During this time, the French controlled Cambodia government and economy. Many Cambodians want to be free and make their own decisions. King Norodom Sihanouk and independence. A very important person in Cambodia's fight for independence was King Norodom Sihanouk. He worked very hard to talk the French government and the United Nations to let Cambodia become an independent country. Finally, on November 9, 1953, Cambodia became free and independent. This day is called Independence Day, and it is a national holiday in Cambodia. How Cambodians celebrate Independence Day? Every year on November 9, people all over Cambodia celebrate this special day. There are parades and fireworks in Phnom Penh, the capital city. The Independence Monument is beautiful, decorated with flowers and lights. People show love for their country by raising the Cambodian flag and singing the national anthem. Why independence is important? Independence means that a country can make its own laws, choose its own leaders, and decide its own future. It reminds Cambodians to be proud of their history and to work together for peace and progress. Thank you everyone for listening to me and watching my video.